Alrighty, first graders, welcome to your math class today. Page 309, 310, and we're going to start just with some review. We're just going to add all of these together. So remember, we'll always start in the ones column here. So we'll have 5 plus 4, that'll give us 9. And 2 plus 3, we know that is 5. And we just add all the way down. And for the next one here, we have 2 plus 8. Well, we know that's 10, so we're going to have to put our 0 here in the ones column, carry our 1 up to the tens column. So we'll have 1 plus 7, which gives us 8, plus 1 more gives us 9. And this here, we just have 3 digits in each number. So we'll start on the ones column first. 3 plus 4 gives us 7. 3 plus 5 gives us 8. And 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Perfect. And the next part here with this cute little sheep, you're just going to write the before and after numbers by 2. And for number 3, it just says color half dozen eggs. So we know that a full dozen, we can see, is 12 eggs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if we color 1/2 dozen eggs, so we want to color half. So if we know that 12 is the full dozen, half of it would be 6. So we can color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We could color this half here, or we could divide it this way and color one of the top rows. So either way you want to color them, but color 1/2. So we're only coloring 6 of the eggs. And on the next part here, it says circle the digit in the hundreds place. So we have our numbers here. They gave us a number of 547, 103, and 258. So we just want to circle the digit in the hundreds place. So we know that this is the ones place. We know that next is the tens place. And we know that this side here is the hundreds place. So we will have to circle the digit in the hundreds place on each one. And the 2 as well. So 547, 103, 258. And right here, it's just asking us to solve these, whether we need to add a addition or subtraction sign, plus or minus, and we just put it in the little flower here. So if we did 5 minus 6 equals 11, that's not right. 5 plus 6 equals 11, that sounds right. So we will add our plus here, and if we go 7, let's try 7 minus. So 7 minus 6 equals 13. No. 7 plus 6 equals 13. Yes. So we will put our plus here in the middle of the flower, and then you'll just have 4 more of those to do on your own. And then we flip to the back really quickly. We have just a problem here. Just kind of like we did up here, we're just going to add all of them together. It's just making sure that we know we start with the ones, then we do the tens, then we do the hundreds. So if we start with the ones column, we have 7 plus 5. That gives us 12. So remember, our 2 from our 12 goes here in the ones place. And then we carry the 1 from 12 to the tens place here. And so if we have 1 plus 2, we know that that's 3. Plus 3 more, well, that gives us 6. And 3 plus 2, we know that is 5. All right, and then there's 2 more of those for you to do on your own. And then we have some story problems, so I'll read those for you. It says, Tanya knows 12 letters in sign language. Tina only knows 5 letters. How many more letters does Tanya know than Tina? So we want to know the difference between the two. So Tanya knows 12. Tina knows 5. How many more letters does Tanya know than Tina? So we want to know the difference. And the next problem there, it says Springer buried 8 bones Saturday and 4 bones on Sunday. How many bones did he bury all together on the weekend? So we know that when it's all together, we want to know the total amount of bones that he buried. So we are going to have to add those. And for number 3, we're going to just be using tally marks again to show that this problem is true. So for 7, we need to do our 7 tally marks. So we'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, and remember our 5 goes across. And then we have 6 and 7. And for 4, we'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. And so we know that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we know that that works out well. And on the very bottom, we're just going to write the differences. And we have 3 problems here. And so don't let them trick you because these are all subtraction. And we still have to start in our ones column. So if we go 8 minus 5, we know that is 3. And you can use your number lines if you need to. And 5 minus 2, we know that is 3 as well. And if we go to the next one, 7 minus 6, we know is 1. 8 minus 3, we know is 5. And for the last one here, 0 minus 0, well, of course, that's right, it's 0. And 5 minus 4, we know is 1. So we can see there, and then there's just 2 more in that section that you guys can do. And you can do, let's see, that is everything. All right, have a great day.